How to give your friend Robux. Let's get started. Roblox does not offer you a direct way to send Robux to your friend, but there are safe workarounds you can use. The most common method is through a game pass or clothing purchase. First, ask your friend to create a game pass or upload a t-shirt, pant, or shirt through the Roblox Create page and set it for sale. They should price it to include the amount of Robux they want to receive, keeping in mind that Roblox takes a 30% cut from all sales. Once the item is published and available for sale, you can buy it from their profile or game page. After you make the purchase, the Robux will go to their pending balance and become available in about 3 to 7 days. Another way is by using a Roblox gift card. You can purchase one online or from a store and send the code to your friend, allowing them to redeem it for Robux directly through their own account. Make sure to only use official sources to avoid scams. Remember, never try to use third-party websites or tools to transfer Robux. They are against Roblox terms of service and could lead to account bans. And that's it. This way you can give your friend Robux. Guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.